Today we're going to go over the installation of the new remote mount oil separator from JLT for your 15 to 19 Mustang GT. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove the engine cover. If you have a strut bar, go ahead and move that first. Pull up. Okay, next we're going to remove the JLT separator that's on the car. This car actually has one of our very first original versions, the Series 1 we'll call it, or the Gen 1. Go ahead and remove this, which this setup is been proven. Tens of thousands of this style setup sold using the factory lines. Makes for a very super quick install. Because we do get the request, we're going to make it optional and do a remote mount. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is mount the bracket. Use this hole in the side of the apron here. Take your nut, be careful, put that down underneath the hole, and use the supplied bolt to cinch it down. You're going to use the supplied screws to mount the separator to the bracket. Go ahead and route this hose down under the upper radiator hose and then back up again. Take the hose from the T side, connect it to the valve cover fitting, the PCV valve, and the other side onto the manifold. This car has a Mishimoto tank, so that's going to play some role in the way the hose is routed, but I like to route it down and under the upper radiator hose, back up through, and onto the fitting. And there you have the remote mount JLT separator, part number 3030, which fits the 15 to 19 5-liter, 15 to 19 GT350, and the Whipple charged 5 liters, 15 and up.